video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced ambulance job by scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can see the preview video of the script. You just have to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Go to install folder. Open the items folder. As I'm using QB inventory, so I'll be opening the qbinventory.md file. Now copy all these line of codes from here. Then go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste the items over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now open the items underscore images folder. Then copy all these images from here. Now open the QB inventory, HTML, images, then paste those images over here. Just like this. If you're using QBCore or QBux framework, you just need to run this SQL file which is over here. Open your head SQL, select your server, then click on run. Just like this. All the necessary installation has been completed over here. Now you just need to copy this file which is over here. Now paste it out from the folder. Now open this file, go to shared, then config.lua. So this is a configuration of the script which is over here. So in the config.hospital section, the default setting is going to be for Kia Hospital. You can set it into false if you are using other hospitals which are not in this list which is mentioned over here. So as I'm using Gab's Hospital, so I'll be copying this line of code from here and pasting it over here. Just like this. So these are some configuration which is over here. As you can see, the configuration for job, menu key and menu command. And this is the configuration for check-in which is over here. There are much more things which you can configure, so I'll be keeping them default for now. Now you can delete this folder if you want. And before starting the server, make sure to delete the default ambulance job folder from here. Now we also need to download the dependency of the script, which you can find it over here. You just need to click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, make sure to extract the script over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and I have the ambulance job over here as you can see. So now let's get inside the hospital. Over here, this is the Gab's Hospital which I am using. And you can see there is a terminal screen over here. Now over here, you can do direct check-in to treat yourself. And over here, you can purchase the insurance from the hospital. As you can see, you can purchase no currency insurance, premium insurance and basic insurance. So I'll be getting the premium insurance over here. Now let's get over here. Over here, this is the armory of the hospital. There are lots of items which you can purchase it from here. You can explore them according to your use. Now let's get to the garage of the hospital. So this is the garage from where you can take out your ambulance. As you can see. Now to add information in the terminal, you can use the command of open terminal. Over here you can select the television. Set the name, set the age, gender, condition stable or critical. Now over here you have to set the ETA. After that, click on confirm. Now you can see the terminal has been updated over here. You can use the stretcher as well. If you find any patient, you can simply put him to the stretcher over here. After getting the patient, you can simply put the stretcher inside the ambulance. Just like this. As you can see, after reaching the hospital, you can pick up the stretcher and take your patient with you just like this. And also you can use this medical bag. And inside the bag, you can find all necessary items which will be used to treat the patient. And there are much more things which you can explore in this script. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.